Hello, everyone. So before we go into the categories of what exactly Microsoft has to offer in terms of their learning path and their certification journey, we will see how exactly Microsoft catalogs all their offerings of learnings or certifications. So the grouping that Microsoft typically does is what we called as, the solution area. So what is a solution area? Any solution area is in the context of Microsoft, I'll say, refers to a category of products, services, or technologies that is collectively bundled together to address some specific business needs or challenges. So they are, you can say, a comprehensive set of packaged solution depending on the level, which helps organization tackle their own approach and give them an approach to solve their own problems. How to achieve the digital transformation in their journey or in the roadmap. So in simple terms, solution areas represent thematic focus of the overall offerings and target specific business processes, specific technology needs. Now, in the context of what Microsoft has bucketed, they typically see 6 building blocks of solution areas. Number 1, let's go into each and every one and see how exactly they contribute in terms of the learning path or the journey they have bundled together. Number 1, infrastructure. Infrastructure, the core focus will be around, I'll say, cloud infrastructure or hybrid solutions, networking, compute, databases, storage. So this solution area centers around a building and managing the core fundamental or foundational IT infrastructure. This is required for the business to operate, and this is basically required for any applications to have a platform to work upon. So how organizations leverage the Microsoft Cloud, Azure, to manage, to run, to deploy, to host all their applications and their functionalities. It could be on-prem, it could be, I'll say, on the public ecosystem. So the key solutions that integrates in the whole package is how we leverage the power of compute, storage, networking, be it on-prem or on the cloud or integrated. So these are the core technologies. And the goal is empower your organization to secure and manage your infra in a flexible and scalable way. So if you move ahead of infra, the second point that you see on your slide is more to do with your data and AI. So what is the core focus here? Core focus, I'll say, is data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So this solution area deals with the management and analysis of data, integration with AI ML products or technologies, derive business insights, and it covers the data engineering, data science, business intelligence, or AI-powered applications view. Core technologies that we have here, things like Synapse Analytics, Azure Machine Learning, data lake and data warehousing, or the cognitive services and the AI tools. So this is one of the most upcoming and booming block of the service portfolio. The third is digital and app innovation. So when we talk about digital, anything in this area that revolves around development or deployment of modern applications. It can include your cloud native development or the deployments of through CI/CD, like the DevOps or DevSecOps practices, integrating the AI ML products in your core solutions, so integrating innovative solutions, things like Azure containers, serverless computing. This basically block or scope of this service area is more to create and build innovative solutions, scalable applications in a very faster, reliable, and safe way. The fourth one is more about modern workplace, so modern work. This particular space covers more to do with collaboration, productivity, your digital transformation of your workspace, or the workplace that you basically work within. This solution area is majorly focused on enhancing your productivity of workplace, leveraging collaboration or full suite of products, like things like Microsoft 365, your daily use items, which you subtly know, it's a part of the Microsoft suite of Office, things like Outlook, your SharePoint, and then the suite of products which we passively use around the day, Teams, OneDrive. So such things, which helps your organization adopt to the digital transformation by creating smarter, more collaborative, and a flexible work ecosystem. This comes under the category of modern work. The fifth one is business applications. Now, this is a very interesting and very deep, I'll say, solution area. Business applications, all your ERPs, or your CRM products, or in the context, I'll also say the low code development products. So this area leverages how such areas of ERP, CRM suites that you have continuously been leveraging, in your business delivery, Dynamics 365, to your Power Platform ecosystem. So Power BIs, Power Apps, Power Automate, everything. These products help you deliver your business function and streamline your day-to-day operations. They drive customer engagement, they manage your financials, sales, or even customer service. So the core goal of this particular solution area will be more, if you see, it focuses on enterprise grade applications that optimize your process, improve the workflow, and make business more and more agile through easy to use and already available standard business suites of product. The last and the most important one is security. So the name goes by itself. The core focus will be things like, cybersecurity, identity or compliance, risk management related to roles, authorizations, things like that. So this particular solution area is dedicated to safeguard your organization's data, applications, and the systems that run such applications. It includes things which basically is the first line of defense, or maybe the second line of defense, before you are allowed to see what exactly is the core offering of that particular organization. So managing your identity, things like Azure Active Directory, protecting against cyber threats, products like Microsoft Defender, then ensuring compliance and regulatory bodies that typically your applications has to comply with, things like GDPR, ISO. So the core technology or the offerings that typically you will have in this particular solution areas will be Azure ADs, your compliance managers, your information protection service, and the end goal is more to protect your organization from wide and ever evolving vectors of security threats, to secure your data, to properly authenticate and authorize identities, and maintain a compliance across your cloud platform ecosystem. So in summary, whatever is your learning path, whatever is your certification journey going to carry forward, this broadly and majorly, if it is a solution offered by Microsoft and a journey curated by Microsoft for your certification, it will fall in the bucket of these solution areas within the gamut of what these solutions area offer. In the next video, we will go a bit deeper into these solution areas and how do they link to the actual context of the certifications Microsoft offer. How are the numbers that you typically come across, your AZs, starting from 900 to 104 to 400, how do they map to each and every solution area? And then what specifically will be your flow of how you go deeper into your journey of which particular solution area you have to start, go deeper and build an expertise on. With that, we will end up this video and see you in the next one.